Hey family. So one of the fastest ways to connect with Haitians is learning how to talk about family, learning how to connect with family, because that's just something that we're super proud of. Whenever we meet each other, whenever we meet someone new, we always say, how's your family? How many kids do you have? Where's your husband? We're always talking about family. So in today's episode, we're going to talk about family. Let's start off with mari. Mari. Mari means husband. Husband. Mari. C'est mari mwen oui. Ça c'est marim. Ou pa kon marim? You don't know my husband? Ou pa kon marim? Ça c'est marim. That's my husband. Me marim oui. Me marim oui. Here's my husband. Here's my husband. This is when you're like presenting your husband to someone. Me marim oui. Mari. Mari means husband in Haitian Creole. Madam. Madam. Madam means wife in Haitian Creole. Yeah. Madam. Me madam mwen oui. Me madam mwen oui. This means here's my wife. Madam. Madam ak mari. Wife and husband. Mari ak madam. Husband and wife. Madam. So of course in this situation, context really matters because sometimes people will say madam when they're referring to a woman. We could be like, "Upa we madam sa? You don't see that lady? Madam. Madam sa trop fréquent, oui. That lady is so fresh and rude." So context really does matter in this situation. Belle-mère. Belle-mère. Belle-mère either means stepmother or mother-in-law. Belle-mère. Belle-mère. So in a sentence, you'd be like, Belle-mère mwen ap vini jodia, oui. Belle-mère mwen ap vini jodia. Belle-mère mwen ap vini jodia. My mother-in-law is coming today. M'pral we belle-mère mwen. I'm going to see my mother-in-law or my stepmother. M'pral we belle-mère mwen. Belle-mère. So when you want to say father-in-law or stepfather, you say beau-père. Beau-père. Est-ce que vous parlez avec beau-père aujourd'hui? Est-ce que vous parlez avec beau-père aujourd'hui? Beau-père. Beau-père means father-in-law in Haitian Creole. Did you speak to your father-in-law today? Did you speak to your father-in-law today? Did you speak to your stepfather today? Beau-père. Beau-père is how you say father-in-law or stepfather in Haitian Creole. Beau-père. Now, when we're talking about our brother-in-law, we say beau-frère. Beau-frère. Brother-in-law or stepbrother is beau-frère. Beau-frère. Beau-frère, c'est un bon moun lié, oui. Beau-frère, c'est un bon moun lié. Beau-frère, c'est un bon moun lié. My brother-in-law is a good person. Belle-sœur. Belle-sœur. I know that sounds like pretty sister, belle-sœur, but belle-sœur means sister-in-law. Belle-sœur. Belle-sœur m'reme fè manger. Belle-sœur m'reme fè manger. Belle-sœur m'reme fè manger. Belle-sœur m'reme fè manger, oui. My sister-in-law loves to make food. And now let's talk about fiel. Fiel. Fiel means, can you guess? It means godchild. So in the Haitian community, this is an important word because you'll find a lot of godmother, godfather relationships. It's a really big part of our culture. Fiel. To say grandchild in Haitian Creole, all you need to say is petite, petite. Petite, petite. Me petite, petite mwen yo, oui. Kat petite, petite mwen yo. Manke petite, petite mwen yo, oui. Where's my grandchildren? I miss them. I miss my grandchildren. Manke petite, petite mwen yo, oui. Li gen 3 petite, petite. Li gen 3 petite, petite. She has 3 grandchildren. He or she. Li gen 3 petite, petite. He or she has 3 grandchildren. Another word I'm telling you as an authentic Haitian you're gonna have to know is makome. 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 See, Google Translate and Duolingo, they're not gonna do it right. Makome. Makome kind of means like godmother, close family, friend, but it's a woman for sure. You know the saying, it takes a village. So this is a woman who is part of that village, basically. Like they're taking care of a child together. Like we share our relationship through children in a way. You know what I'm saying? Like she really helps out. Makome. Makome. Kind of like a godmother, kind of like a mom or aunt. I don't know how to explain it, but makome. In the Haitian culture, there has to be really deep trust for them to call you makome. It goes deeper than blood. We don't have to be really related for me to call you makome. But just know when I say that we're really family. We're really sisters. It's a true bond. You're really in my family. Makome. Now let's practice introducing your family. Ça, c'est mari mwen. Ça, c'est frère mwen. Ça, c'est filleul mwen. Ça, c'est madame mwen. Ça, c'est petite mwen. Ça, c'est makome mwen. Ça, c'est beau-frère mwen. Ça, c'est belle-mère mwen. Give yourself a round of applause. You did great. So now that you know how to introduce your family, you're gonna have to be prepared for when you're at the Haitian gathering and they're asking about your family, or you want to ask about someone's family. So that's what this part of the video is gonna be about. Ki jan fami an ye? Ki jan fami an ye? Ki jan fami ou ye? Ki jan fami an ye? How's the family? Ki jan fami ou ye? Ki jan fami ou ye? Ki jan fami ou ye? How's your family doing? How is the family? Ki jan fami an ye? And then you could respond, you could be like, fami an bien, oui. Fami an bien. Fami an, tout moun content. Everybody's happy. Everybody's good. Fami an bien. Tout moun content. You might hear someone say, est-ce que tout moun en forme? Or they might say, tout moun en forme. That means, is everybody okay? How's everybody doing? Is everybody okay? Tout moun en forme? And you could be like, oui, tout moun en forme. Yes, everybody's okay. In this one, you're gonna need to know how to use your R's. Mwen content rencontre ou. I'm happy I met you. I'm so glad I met you. Mwen content rencontre ou. Mwen tante an pil bagay sou, oui. Mwen tante an pil bagay sou. Mwen tante an pil bagay sou. I heard a lot about you. Mwen tande an pil bagay sou. Now, this is when you meet somebody new and you want to impress them. You could be like, I heard a lot about you. Or maybe that's what you hear somebody say. Mwen tande an pil sou. This is your Haitian cousin Kadoh signing out. I'm so glad that you can introduce your family and you know what these words mean. Please come back to the next video and make sure you have your homework done. If you need one-on-one tutoring, you know where to find me. Bye.